1934 Ford Coupe. Price, $10,700. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Partyville. A unique 1934 Ford Coupe Legends car, build that blends classic hot rod styling with a lightweight, race-inspired drivetrain setup. Finished in white with a black interior, this car captures the iconic 1930s Ford Coupe silhouette, but takes a very different mechanical direction compared to traditional V8 street rods. Instead of a typical small-block engine, this build is powered by a 1,250 cubic centimeters Yamaha engine, giving it a high-revving, lightweight performance character more commonly seen in Legends Racing Series cars. The setup prioritizes agility, responsiveness, and affordability rather than big-block horsepower, making it a distinctive alternative in the hot rod world. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. Price, $28,000 Canadian dollars. Location, Norfolk. Professionally upgraded 1970 Volkswagen Beetle built in SoCal Cal-look style, combining classic VW simplicity with serious performance modifications and a clean custom aesthetic. Finished in pearl orange paint with Porsche-style wheels, this Beetle has been transformed into a high-quality street cruiser with both style and speed. Power comes from a heavily modified 2,275 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine, fitted with dual 48 IDF Weber carburetors, delivering strong acceleration and impressive highway cruising ability. The engine setup is well known in the VW performance community for producing lively, reliable power in a lightweight chassis. 1937 Fiat Topolino Hot Rod. Price, $29,000 Canadian dollars. Mileage, 300 kilometers. Location, Aurelia. A wild 1937 Fiat Topolino fiberglass hot rod that blends compact European styling with massive American V8 power. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a matching purple interior, this custom two-seater stands out as a true one-of-a-kind street machine. Despite its small vintage Fiat-inspired body, the build is anything but modest under the hood. Power comes from a large 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet V8 BBC, fitted with 502 aluminum heads, delivering extreme horsepower and torque far beyond what the original chassis was ever designed to handle. This high-performance setup transforms the lightweight Topolino-style body into a serious street rod with explosive acceleration and unmistakable big block sound. Bandolero Race Car. Price, $3,500. Location, Sanford. A purpose-built Bandolero race car designed for short-track competition, particularly suited for smaller oval circuits like inside-track configurations. This unit is described as part of the early production run, first 250 made, which is often considered desirable in entry-level oval racing due to its handling characteristics and simplicity. The car has reportedly never been wrecked and has achieved 6 race wins, primarily serving as a backup vehicle and therefore seeing limited track time. It comes with additional spare parts and engines, making it a more complete package for someone entering or continuing in Bandolero-style racing. Powered for compact oval track performance, Bandolero cars are built with lightweight frames and standardized components. 1935 Buick Roadmaster Hot Rod. Price, $29,000. Mileage, 500 miles. Location, Ocala. A raw and aggressive 1935 Buick Roadmaster Hot Rod build that blends classic pre-war Buick styling with serious drag-focused performance modifications. Finished in a quick white paint job over a custom-built chassis, this Project Hot Rod is mechanically complete but still requires finishing touches and tuning to fully refine its setup. Power comes from a high-compression small-block Chevy SPC V8 built with 11:1 compression, Edelbrock aluminum heads, and a tunnel ram intake system on a roller cam setup. This combination is designed for strong top-end power and hard acceleration, making it well-suited for 1/8 mile drag racing applications. The engine is paired with upgraded MSD ignition components and a painless wiring harness for improved reliability. The drivetrain features a quick performance 9-inch rear end, geared specifically for short track and drag racing performance. 2025 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $21,500. Mileage, 500 miles. Location, Port Orange. A freshly rebuilt Volkswagen Dune Buggy combining lightweight off-road engineering with modern performance upgrades and a supercharged air-cooled engine setup. Built on a Berrien Buggy fiberglass body with a steel tube chassis, this 2001 origin build was fully restored in November 2025 and presents in extremely clean condition with only 500 miles since completion. Power comes from a supercharged 1,641 cubic centimeters dual-port VW engine, paired with a Weber IDF 40 carburetor, delivering significantly enhanced performance compared to a stock Volkswagen power plant. The engine is upgraded with Pertronix electronic ignition and rev limiter, ensuring reliable operation and improved throttle response. A custom Yoshimura-style exhaust system further enhances airflow and gives the Buggy a distinct performance tone. 1973 Volkswagen Thing. Price, $20,000. Mileage, 67,900 miles. A classic 1973 Volkswagen Thing, Type 181, a unique utility-based VW originally designed for military and light off-road use, now widely appreciated as a quirky and collectible vintage vehicle. Finished in yellow with a simple, functional design, this Thing retains its original character and unmistakable boxy styling that makes it stand out from nearly every other classic car on the road. Powered by a reliable air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, the Thing delivers simple, mechanical driving enjoyment with easy maintenance and dependable performance. With approximately 67,900 miles reported, this example is presented as a well-preserved driver with original mileage and two-owner history. Known for its removable doors, flat fold-down windshield, and open-air design, the VW Thing offers a raw, utilitarian driving experience that is both fun and nostalgic. 1963 Austin Healey 3000 MX. Price, $42,000 Canadian dollars. Mileage, 1,740 kilometers. Location, Toronto. A beautifully built Austin Healey 3000 MX Sebring-style replica that blends classic 1960s British convertible styling with the raw power of American V8 performance. Finished in traditional British racing green with a tan interior and soft top, this car captures the elegant roadster look of the original Healey while incorporating modern engineering and reliability upgrades. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8, equipped with an Edelbrock intake manifold, quadrajet carburetor, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, and dual exhaust system. This engine swap transforms the lightweight roadster into a strong-performing cruiser with far more power than the original inline-six, delivering smooth acceleration and dependable highway performance. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission for ease of driving. 1965 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Dragster. Price, $7,000. Mileage, 9,999 miles. Location, Linden. A stripped-down 1965 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Dragster built for lightweight straight-line performance and track-focused racing use. Finished in gray, this Ghia has been modified into a dedicated drag-style setup rather than a road-going classic, prioritizing speed, simplicity, and power-to-weight efficiency. The vehicle is described as running and ready to race, suggesting a functional drivetrain and race-oriented configuration typical of air-cooled VW drag builds. While specific engine details are not listed, Karmann Ghia Dragsters commonly utilize heavily modified Volkswagen flat-4 engines tuned for higher output. 1972 Triumph Spitfire MK4. Price, $3,000. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, Nashville. A classic 1972 Triumph Spitfire MK4 4 British Roadster, offered as a budget-friendly restoration or project car. Finished in tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this small vintage convertible represents one of the most iconic lightweight sports cars of the 1970s. Known for its simple mechanical design and sporty driving character, the Spitfire is a popular choice among classic car enthusiasts looking for an engaging restoration project. This example is reported to have a solid, rust-free body, having been treated with Z-Bart rust proofing when new, which helped preserve its structural condition.